Because when you're young, you do some dumb stuff. It's just a bad decision. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel,
The Parchments fam.
Alright, and today we have another video for you guys. But before we get into this video, if it's the first time here, welcome to the channel. For regular viewers, thank you for your support. We do appreciate it. Alright, and if before you forget, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you're not subscribed. Alright, because we need to grow our family.
Yes.
Okay?
So, a lot of you guys watching and not subscribing.
Yeah, so. And also hit the like button if you like what you see.
Definitely.
Right? So basically our channel is based upon it's our family channel. So we do our vlogs, we have cooking videos sometimes, depending on what comes by for the day, and we choose to vlog it. That's what we are gonna get. We are gonna put out here for you guys, and we're not gonna put just anything out there. We wanna give you interesting stuff and fun stuff.
Yes.
Alright, so this is a story time we have for you guys, so let's get into it.
Yes, guys. So, where do we begin?
Well,
the other night we were just talking at home.
wait there. Sorry people if you hear the sound in the background, is the kids here playing with the toys. So
Yeah.
most of our videos they're gonna hear a lot of those stuff in there because we have the kids in the
somebody may
house.
start crying or something like that.
Yeah.
So, like we said, it's a family channel, you know. So yeah, just that's what you would expect.
Yeah.
Alright, so we were talking and we were saying that our first son was an experiment, and we were like, the second one was more as we tried, and then the last two they were like mock-ups. That's what we were saying. Accidents. Yes. So today we're gonna tell you how the first one was like a science experiment.
I would say science experiment. It was
just an experiment.
Yeah. So basically it wasn't like we planned anything, or we was just trying.
Yes, because what happened is we got married in
testing
August.
ourselves.
let's kind of back up. We got married in August, and I got pregnant in November of 20. When we married 11?
Yeah,
2011. Yes. So we got married in August of 2011. I got pregnant in November 2011. But it wasn't like we planned, to start having a family right away.
It's not like we planned to have a child immediately after we got married or anything.
It wasn't in the plan.
It wasn't like that,
Before we even got married, I was researching birth control options, and I wanted to see what was out there, because I planned to go on birth control. I even went to the health center at the time. It was a health center that I went to. I went to the health center, I did all the blood work, I did all my research, I did everything, give them all the paperwork that they needed, and planned to get the injection. That's what I had planned to get. So I don't even remember what happened that I didn't get it. I honestly don't remember.
Yeah, not to sidetrack from the argument or anything, but sometime we plan, we claim when we get married, we have plans that we're gonna get this together, get that together. And
yes,
sometimes it's like you never know,
Jamaica, they say man a plan and God a wife.
You never know. It's not like it's not how we intended it or what we planned. It's just things happen.
Because
have to work with it.
At the time we were living with his parents, and it was like a little one room. It wasn't even conducive to having a child, so we weren't ready.
It's not a one room, it's a big house, but
no, where we were staying, we just had one room to ourselves.
Yeah.
So it really wasn't a situation to bring a child in as yet. So we planned to have our own place and stuff like that. Yeah. That's what we planned. Like I told you, I went to get the birth control, and I don't remember what happened that I didn't end up getting the shot. So when we got married now, things happen a couple times, and we weren't trying, but then one day we were like
I said we're not gonna say like things happen like that. It's just that we were taking precautions.
The thing, when I said things happen, they know what thing happened. That happened. But we were taking precautions at the time when that happened.
Natural precautions. You never did take none. We didn't take natural precaution, people.
I was doing the natural methods that people do, So yes, and it worked because at that time I knew my cycle, I know my body, and it worked.
Yeah.
But
I mean, there comes a point when it's like your curiosity take over. Yeah, curiosity take over where after a while it's like think I say all these months ago by and think so what if something should happen if you would get pregnant, right?
Yeah, and I was like, no, and I was like, I wonder if I'm easy to get pregnant.
Yeah, something like that.
That's exactly what I say. I'm gonna try. Alright, mama.
Alright, relax now.
Alright, mama. She's a little fussy, guys. Alright.
Yeah, people, she got 4 immunized, 4 vaccines yesterday. Sorry, she got 4 vaccines yesterday, so she pretty
she's kind of fussy,
droopy right now, you know.
Yes. So
we did say curiosity
so
take over. You say you want to find out.
I want to find out if I'm easy to get pregnant. And it was that time of the month when if you do things at that time of the month, stuff will happen. Because like I said, I know my cycle. Yes, guys. Lo and behold.
Well, yeah, give people a story and a laugh over the story. People don't know that listen to your story. Lo and behold, it's like...
It's funny because now I'm thinking back at it, it's actually funny. Like, who does that?
Yeah.
I mean,
sometimes that's why they say, it all you get. Because when you're young, you do some dumb stuff.
It's not dumb because we get with son, but...
Yeah, I mean...
But...
Don't say it's dumb, but it's just a bad decision. When you're young, you make some bad decision, you know. And when you get older, you look and say it was a dumb decision, you know.
Yeah.
Not saying it's not regret. It's
yeah,
just,
we don't regret.
It's just that decision is not a decision you would make at this
because I look at this. If you don't want to get pregnant, you don't want to have any kids at that moment, why would you go and say you're going to try to see if you can get pregnant? It's like jumping off a building and say, I want to see if you're going to get broke up.
Yeah,
right? Like obviously if you jump off of the building you get broke up.
It's like a jump off and a whoopie base.
Yes. Like so something catch you down there so you don't get hurt, right?
Yeah.
But essentially that's what happened. We were like I was like, I want to see if I'm easy to get pregnant, and that was like, was it November? In November?
I don't remember if I
got pregnant in November, so it had to be in November. Yeah, it was in November of that year. So yeah, we did what we did, and I missed my period, guys. So
yeah, so basically, you miss the period, and if the period the year I walk up and no.
I walk up and no.
Period and 9-year-old.
And 9. So what I learned from that was that I was indeed easy to get pregnant, guys. Like,
yeah.
Even when I'm not trying. Like I tell you, the 2 last one, we were trying for those. Yes.
Yeah, but everything have varies because we so need the year now, and it's like
oh yes.
We wouldn't trade
my little helper, guys. Everything I call him up on him tablet. I said, Chunky, pass also for me. Chunky do this, and
Yeah.
And not only that, not just what he can do for us, but he's our only boy,
he's the only boy, yeah, because we have 4 kids and he's the only boy,
and he's the only boy, the first one, and
so everything have for a reason, you never know.
And not only that, because when I found out I was pregnant, we had to start looking for a place.
Yeah.
And because of him we accomplished so much in a short period of time.
It's like because of him he make you pretty much put your foot on the gas.
Yeah, he pushed us.
Put your shoulders to the wheel more. Get going and get things together faster, you know?
Yeah, because we found an apartment quickly.
It motivated you to get moving, because if it wasn't that, we would have been there a while. Just knowing that we want to do something, but we don't have the urge to do it because there's nothing there for you to do.
Because we were comfortable just both of us living in that situation, but we're like, we can't carry a child into that situation. So now we start looking for an apartment. We even had to at one point change our vehicle, just to make things more comfortable for him. Yeah, so it really motivated us. So we have no regrets.
Yeah, and speaking about vehicle, we actually have a story time on our channel when we talk about that old vehicle. So now we're running that vehicle and burn up people AC now. And when we do that, it motivates me to do a lot. I mean, I accomplished a whole heap since that,
yeah, we've accomplished so much. Like this apartment that we're living in is that apartment that we found, and everything it just lined up so perfectly.
Everything happened right in time.
Oh, we got the apartment. I was still pregnant. It was before it was born. Yeah, so
everything is like everything was in the right timing, just following up behind each other, you know? From you getting pregnant to us finding a place to move in, getting things together, you know, everything just fall into place.
So maybe it wasn't our plan.
Yeah, maybe.
But you know, well, we can't say it wasn't our plan because we literally sit down and do it.
I mean, it wasn't your plan because you never have to get pregnant anyways.
Yeah, I mean, we never had to, but
it's not your plan, it's God's plan. But not saying people should go there and try it, but
yeah, do not try this at home.
We just give you our story, you know. That's basically our story. And remember, we have the story time when we talk about the vehicle and things. Yeah, we did have a story time with the vehicle.
I'm gonna find it and link it.
Yeah, you probably can link it in the description.
I
so
will. I'll try
easy.
Yeah,
but there's a video on that as well. So
we have a lot of story times.
Yeah, and that's our story time. We have actually 4 kids now, as I mentioned before in the video. The last 3 are girls. Alright, first one is a boy.
The experiment
is a boy. So basically, if you are trying for a boy, somebody out there are trying for a boy or a girl,
do an experiment.
Just do an experiment. It might work. Alright.
Yeah, so like we said, the first was an experiment. The second one was more as yes, we are trying. We want a girl now to even it up, and then the last 2 now was more like, yeah, we don't really want no more kids, and it happened, you know.
Yeah.
But we're happy with all of them.
They have to do to make life compatible with them and make them just do our part, you know.
Yeah.
That's all they can do. And yeah, we just sharing this story with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, if you enjoyed, stop mess with this stuff. We finish the video in peace.
Stop, Janelle.
Alright, so let me start rolling a little bit back here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, if you enjoyed what you saw, turn on the notification bell after you hit the subscribe button.
Hit the like
put it
button.
to all. Alright, so you get all our notifications on the post. Hit the like button. And you can always share it with a friend that you found a channel with this story or that story.
And you know,
let's grow the community.
What you think in the comments. Let's talk.
Yeah, and that's another thing. You can comment. We always reply to your comments. It's not like you're gonna comment and you don't see any replies or anything. We don't ignore it. We might not get to it immediately, but we're definitely gonna reply to your comments.
Yes, we like the conversation.
Alright, and also video suggestions. You can suggest like videos you'd like us to make or videos you'd like to see. Alright, and we'll definitely get to it if it's something that we find interesting.
Or it's something that we can actually do.
Or it's something that we can actually get done. Alright?
Yes.
So, alright, thank you for watching again. Peace.
Bye.
Say bye.
No.
Say bye.
She
alright, you know in a video people.
Well, she vexed because she did want it to be.
She wanted to be in the entire video. We tell her she have to come out. So that's why
she upset now.
So peace out people.
Bye.
Hey, lucky are we?